Wall Street drops on profit-taking after Dow Jones 30 gains for third day in a row. Wall Street weekend on Thursday due to profit-taking after the stock market of the United States rose in the previous three consecutive days. Investors are turning their focus on to upcoming inflation data and the Federal Reserve meeting next week. In the first 3 days of the week, the Nasdaq was up 4.7%. The S&P was up 3.6% and the Dow was up 3.4% as concern is about the Omicron latest coronavirus variant. The stock market is rallying after the Omicron information, but the underlying problem remains that the Federal Reserve will act. Dennis Dick, head of market structure at Bright Trading LLC in Las Vegas, told Reuters. Joe Quinlan, chief market strategist for Bank of America's CIO office, said investors might take profits and stop buying after 3 days gains. Three may also be a bit of a risk of trade ahead of Friday's CPI figures, he said. Quinlan said if inflation is hotter than expected, there is potential for a faster tapering. Meanwhile, Fed Chair Jerome Powell signaled last week that the central bank's meeting would include discussion about a more rapid reduction in bond purchases. If the inflation figures imply the need to raise interest rates more quickly, this will put pressure on technology stocks and increase demand for cyclical stocks, Quinlan added. The market has been moving since late November when the Omicron variant was discovered. Investors fear it could reverse the global recovery at a time when inflation is soaring with the Fed comments exacerbating volatility. Wall Street's main indexes were supported this week by updates showing Pfizer and biotech's vaccines offer protections against the Omicron variant. So, this is why the DG30 up in 3 days in a row. So, in this month, the Wall Street and others is drops on profit. Okay.